test is used in the diagnosis of paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria or PNH. Nowadays, most of the time we tend to go flow cytometry as a better diagnostic test. So, in PNH cells, as you know, there is a deficiency of GPI anchoring protein. So, this GPI anchoring protein with this deficiency, membrane protective proteins like CD55, CD59 are absent on the red cell membrane. So, these red cells are susceptible to complement mediated lysis, which usually occurs at night when there is acidic pH and alternate pathway is activated. So, we try to demonstrate this phenomenon in vitro, preparing a series of tubes like this. So, when you take the first 3 tubes, as you can see here, T1, T2, T3, it contains patient's washed cells and a control serum. For the control serum, we use a person with same blood group to the patient. So, patient cells, control serum in these 3 tubes. So, next set of tubes we use the control cells, washed cells from the normal person and the control serum from the same person. And the next 3 tubes, as you can see in the picture, we use patient cells and patient serum or patient's own serum. So, then the important thing is, when you take this series vertically, these 3 tubes are non-acidified. So, this complement pathway activation cannot take place. These 3 tubes we have supplied the optimal condition. Complement is there and it is acidified. When we take the last 3 tubes, they are heat and activated and no complement is there. So, when you interpret the test, we expect hemolysis in the ideal tubes. So, this tube is patient cells control serum. The patient cells are defective. So, we expect a hemolysis like this in this T2 tube. So, this is a positive result. So, these tubes are negative, as you can see, right. So, we expect hemolysis in this tube, and if the patient is PNH, you can expect this type of hemolysis in this tube. And then we are going to look for this tube, where, so obviously in the control cells control serum you won't expect hemolysis. But again, when you come to this tube, you have patient's cells, patient's own serum, and it's acidified, complement is there. So, it is this tube, again we expect hemolysis. So, we can conclude this as positive Hem test and patient is having paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria.